Alright, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best paper airplane, in my opinion, for distance. So you're just going to need a piece of printer paper. First step is you're going to want to take it, fold it halfway, hot dog style. And you're going to take the corner and you're going to fold it in to the crease that you just made. So it looks like this. And you're going to do the same thing with the other edge. So you're going to have something that looks like this. And you're going to take this, fold it backwards, halfway. Then you're going to take this part of your airplane and you're going to fold it all the way down to the edge like this. And then you're going to flip it over and do the same thing on this side. Then you're going to take this again and you're going to fold it down to the edge one more time. And once again, you're going to do it on the other side as well. And you're going to end up with something that should look like this. And that's how you make best paper airplane, in my opinion, for distance. This is how you throw a paper airplane.